Can you believe there's an island in Japan where cats outnumber humans? That island is called Tashirojima, better known as Cat Island. Here cats roam the streets, bask in the sun on rooftops, and live peacefully with humans. Locals believe cats bring good fortune and prosperity, especially for fishing. That's why they are cared for and cherished like guardian spirits. Today, visitors from all over come to Cat Island to witness this unique sight. These adorable cats have turned the island into a small paradise for animal lovers. Walking on the island, you'll see cats greeting you. Some even playfully climbing onto visitors' shoulders. It's an experience you can only find in Japan. Cat Island in Japan, where humans and cats share a magical story of companionship. Thank you for watching the video. Please give me a like and a subscribe.